Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video contents are provided by Applied Forensic Research Sciences. This is MCQ Times part 44 and topic for MCQ is collection of cyber evidences, written by Navitha Narayana and presented by Prachi Balyan. So let's start. First question is, where do we get major cyber evidence? A. Cloud computers, B. CD-ROM, C. Digital cameras, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Second question is assertion and reason. So the assertion is most digital information is volatile and can be easily changed. Reason, we can carry out and calculate a cryptographic hash of digital evidences. A. Both assertion and reason are correct. B. Assertion is correct, reason is wrong. C. Assertion is wrong, reason is correct. And D. Both assertion and reason are wrong. So the correct answer is both assertion and reason are correct. Third question. Investigators can access an average of the last dash cell locations accessed by mobile devices. A. 500, B. 80, C. 200 or D. 100. The correct answer is C. 200. Fourth question. DFCB stands for Daily Forensic Collection Board, Dynamic Forensic Collection Board, Digital Forensic Certification Board, or D. Digital Forensic Collection Board. The correct answer is C. Digital Forensic Certification Board. Next question is, while seizing a mobile device, what should be done? A. It should not be switched off. B. It should be switched off. C. It should be taken as it is. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. It should not be switched off. Next question is, to prevent the alteration of digital evidences during collection, first responders should A. Document any activity. B. Turn off the device. C. Seize it. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Document any activity. Then seventh question. Why an image or work copy of the original storage device is created? A. To easy the work. B. To store data. C. To create new source. Or D. To prevent contamination. The correct answer is D. To prevent contamination. Next question is, to prevent connection to any networks and keeps evidence pristine, what should be done? A. Install write blocking software. B. Isolate wireless devices. C. Remove the data. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Isolate wireless devices. Next question. Will the deleted files visible to the investigative officer? A. It will be seen always. B. Not at all visible. C. Deleted files are visible as long as they haven't been overwritten by new data. Or D. None of the above. So the correct answer is C. Deleted files are visible as long as they haven't been overwritten by new data. Then the last question is, to know about cell location, what methods can be used? A. Satellite navigation systems. B. Global positioning system. C. Subpoena for a particular device. Or D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. So, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.